Hello, welcome back. GovDoc Breakdown, where we don't tell you what to think. We give you the facts of the case and let you do with them what you will. All right, April 15th, another executive order lowering drug prices by once again putting Americans first. That is a great title. A wordy executive order, but basically outlines the lack of transparency when it comes to drug prices from drug manufacturers, insurance companies, and pharmacy benefit managers, which is an interesting triangle. If you ever want to Google that, there's some rather messed up stuff going on there. But, oh, that was close to an opinion, guys. Let's hold off. We just give you the facts of the case. So the executive order also outlines some of the things that Trump did in his first term around encouraging development of competitive drugs, price transparency and discount initiatives, as well as like accountability mechanisms for drug manufacturers. Also, it outlines some of the things in the Biden administration that was done around this topic, and maybe not in the most favorable light, but it does actually commend their goal of lowering prices with the Medicare prescription drug negotiation program, which in this climate, I think we got, nice words, a commendment, but it also says that it has delivered less savings than anticipated. Also highlights the Medicare Part D program, saying that it inflated premiums and diminished coverage for seniors. There's also a section on the pill penalty, which is a difference between small and large molecule biologics. So think small would be like a pill, aspirin or something like that. Large would be like insulin or vaccines or something like that. And there's a discrepancy around how those prices are regulated and at different times. So if you want to look into that, feel free. The order outlines the improvements that it's going to make to these programs, with many ideas to lower cost of drugs across the board, encouraging competition, increasing imports, improving transparency around pharmacy benefit manager fee disclosure, which pharmacy benefit managers, basically they can charge a fee for recommending certain medications, and they may or may not be owned by drug manufacturers and insurance companies, but that's neither here nor there. That's all I got on this executive order, and let's stick to the facts, Brian. All right, see you guys.